And big ones. Oh, it looks like they're coming out of the threshold of the door. Like the kick plate.
Mm-hmm.
It's like falling. It's like maybe they're going under the siding, behind the siding, and then coming out. Yeah, it's a whole mess. The whole hit them. Oh yeah. Well, I'll hit them with this other chemical, and that should whenever they take it back, they couldn't get get the queen.
Gotcha. Okay.
That's unfortunate. Well, these are already in contact with the other chemical that got them scattered, so they're gonna die. Well, they're coming from either they're in the door frame or they're going up under the siding.
Yeah, coming right out of there.
Because a handful of them came out of there, and then nothing over here until now. She has a door open.
Right under there, coming out.
All right.
How about that?
Probably in that door frame. I got some dust. I can dust it. Seems like it's working already.
Yeah.
Whatever I'm doing, but I'll put some dust in there, see if I can knock them all out.